Okay, it's March 22nd, 2016, and this video is showing one of my techniques for hand soldering surface mount components. So this is a Dexter Revision 3F board. This is the production version that's currently being made. And I've hand soldered all the components on here and tested it, but there's one component right here that is not soldered on. So I'm going to solder that on and show you how I do it. Especially in this case where most of the components are soldered on, my technique is going to be a little bit different. So first thing I'm going to do is apply some solder paste to the pads right here. Then I'm going to take my SparkFun heat gun and melt the solder paste, which will cause the chip to slide into position. Then I'm going to take some flux and apply it to the sides. And then I'm going to take a soldering iron and move the solder around so that it's got a nice contact to all the pins, because when you hand solder this stuff, sometimes the solder doesn't end up where you want it. So this will moving the iron around will get the solder where I want it, and it will likely ball up on one side. So I'm going to try to drag all the extra solder to one end and then use the solder wick to suck it off, and then I'll be done. So let's get started. Okay, there is the finished product. It looks pretty good to me. All the pins are lined up, all the extra solder is removed, all the flux is cleaned off, so I think we have a winner. I might do another more extensive video on surface mount soldering in the future, but today I just wanted to solder this on and I thought I'd film it. So I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day. See you next time.